Maybe you've seen those videos where people are flattening their lawn with sand. Sand definitely works, but is it the easiest way to do it? And is it the most beneficial way to flatten your lawn? Personally, I don't use sand to flatten my lawn other than a skim coat after I've used topsoil to flatten my lawn. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to flatten your lawn using topsoil. Let me get down close here, maybe you can see a lot of high and low spots through here. It's just not, as you can see, as smooth as I would like to have it. So the first thing I'll have to do is obviously cut this a little shorter. And then from there, we'll flatten that right out. So just some basics for this. For my project, I'm gonna need my wheelbarrow, my truck back there. I'm gonna need a shovel and obviously some topsoil. So now I have my lawn cut down. I'm gonna start putting down the soil. I'm gonna place it in a few different places around my lawn, but I'm gonna drop it primarily in the places that are the lowest and then spread it out from there. If you are at the point in your lawn care life that you are looking to flatten your lawn, don't kid yourself. You're pretty much all in at this point. Go spend some money on some good tools. Something like this, a 36-inch landscaper's rake. The flat edge on one side will easily help you push that soil around. You might also want to get something like this, a lawn leveling rake. This one's by Walensee. You can pick them up at, this one I bought at Home Depot, and it delivered to a UPS store. I went down and picked it up. Not a big deal. As you can see, it's raining right now. It may seem counterintuitive to be applying this when it's raining, but the soil being slightly moist helps to fill in those lower ruts, if you will, in the lawn. And let's take a closer look at this now. Now with this raked through, leveled, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but This is very, very, very flat. There's no ridges, no bumps, just a smooth finish across the entire area. So I'm back here. It's the day after I put down my topsoil, leveled it out. Last night we had a little rain. I'm gonna level that area again, and then I'm gonna water it again. I'm gonna use the water to help push that soil down into the crevices, and then I'm gonna re-level that again. So with that, my flattening for today is over. I'm gonna turn my sprinkler on over here. I'm gonna see where the water settles, if I have any low spots from that point, and then I'm going to re-level it again. Water is a great tool to use when you're trying to flatten a lawn. So now, having ran that sprinkler for about 30 minutes, see there's not really too many low spots. One right there. Those are from my runners. Another one here, again from my runners. Let's go down and take a look at it from this vantage point. You can see that is very smooth. So there we go. It's watered, it's flattened. I'll come back and I'll flatten it one more time tomorrow. And then from there, I will seed, got a fertilizer, some peat moss, so that the growth over there is consistent. So this is the third day and final day that I'll be working on this project. Didn't really have to spread it over 3 days, but sometimes it's best to do something right rather than try to go back and correct issues later. So I put down my topsoil, I let the rain water it in, I came back the next day, I smoothed that area out, turned the sprinkler on, the water flattened and compacted those areas very well. Now today I'm gonna do one more run over with my lawn level. I'm gonna seed, I'm gonna fertilize, I'm gonna rake that seed in, and this project will be finished. there you go. This video is complete. I will post a video about 10 to 12 days or so, show the progress of the seeding, but really that's not what this video is about. This video is about leveling, smoothing the surface of my lawn. So let's take one quick last look here. So there we go. As I said, I will post a video about 10 to 14 days to show the progress of the seeds, but that's not really what I'm after here. I'm after just for that nice flattened look in this area. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you found it informative. Be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel.